Singh of class 10th A. Today I am going to explain about the physics holidays homework, which is convex lens and concave lens. So first we draw the image when the object between two F1 and F1. So let's we draw the image. Sorry. This is convex lens and this is normal. This is optical center. Now we draw F1 and here 2F1. So our object is between 2F1 and F1. So this is our object. So it is passed from the optical center and here is F2 and 2F2. For it is careful about the distance between F1 and 2F1 is equal. So it is passed from the 2F2 and secondary from here. So from here and this is our image. So some points about this image are: first, it is formed beyond 2F2. Second point, that it is larger than the object. And our last point about this image is that this image is real and inverted. So here our first image is completed. So let's move on to second case of our convex lens. First we draw principal axis. This is our principal axis. This is our convex lens and this is our normal. This is optical center. Here our F1 and 2F1. Here F2 and 2F2. Let's carefully about the distance between F1 and optical center, and the distance between F1 and 2F1 is equal. So here's our object and this ray go through from the optical center and pass from the F2. So our second ray passed from the center. Okay, now we increase this ray from back to upward. And here's our image is formed. Our image is formed behind F1 or between two F1 and F1. So three parts about this lens are: first point, that image is formed behind the object. So our second part is image is bigger than the object. See, here's size of object and the size of the image. So it is bigger than this. So our third and last point is that our image is virtual and erect. So here's our second part, second convex lens is completed. Now let's move to the third case or first case of the concave lens. Okay. So we move on to third case and the last case, which is concave lens, and it is different from the convex lens, and it is different. So let's we draw principal axis, and here's concave lens, and here's the normal, and this is center. So here's f1 to f1, f2 and 2 f2. So here's this is very different from the convex lens, and if now we discussed about this, so this way we draw that is, and we draw a ray which is parallel to this ray, and this is diverging, and so these rays move back. So last 3 points about this lens are the first is that the image formed on the f1, and now we discussed about the size. The size of this image is point size or diminished. And the last point, that is that this image is virtual and erect. Now these cases are completed. First two cases are convex lenses and this is concave lens. So let's practicing about these cases. So our lecture is completed. Thanks. Have a nice day.